Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Assistive Touch on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, go down to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. At the top here, tap on Assistive Touch. Then tap on Assistive Touch toggle button to switch it on. Once it is turned on, you can now tap on this shortcut button, and this will open up the Assistive Touch menu. From here, you can use it to access your device control, such as the lock screen, perform an on screen, volume up or volume down key. You can run an action button, or you can tap on more to perform various functions, such as taking a screenshot, switching apps, and many more features that you can use within this Assistive Touch menu. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.